What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today with something a little bit special. So in today's video, I'll be giving you guys a closer look at these custom Nike Air Force Ones by United. United, spelled UNTD, is a clothing brand with the sole purpose of spreading unity. And I think especially in today's climate where there's a ton of unrest, their message is really simple. They're looking to spread unity, love, and togetherness. United's logo is a handshake, and the handshake is believed by some to have originated as a symbol of peace by demonstrating that your hands hold no weapons. So I'll link their website, their Instagram, all that good stuff down below, and you'll see they sell a ton of dope merch, including this t-shirt that I'm wearing, and other things too, like hoodies and shorts. As for these very limited edition Air Force Ones, they're all completely customized by hand and individually numbered and limited to only 15 pairs. So these Air Forces just dropped on their website, so I'll add a link to that also down below. So for anyone interested, don't wait too long, be sure to check out the links down below. So first off, here's a quick look at the box, and you can see United has sort of modified your standard gray Air Force One box to create their own unique message at the top of the box. As for the shoes themselves, so this takes your base Air Force One white on white, but they've added a ton of unique customizations to make it very special to United. So the entire upper of the shoe, this is unchanged. This is just your basic white leather that they use on the Air Force Ones. But first off, you'll see on the edge of the toe box on the lateral side, they've lasered etched these Nike swooshes on both shoes. On the midfoot of both sides of the shoe, so this is unchanged, we still have your normal Nike swoosh. But on the lateral side of the back heels, there's some more laser action here as well. This time we have the United handshake logo, again found on both shoes. On the medial side of the back heel on the right foot, here you'll see the individual shoe number of your pair. So for me, my pair was number 2 of 15. On the back of the shoe, nothing was changed here. We still have your Nike Air branding embroidered at the top in white. Moving to the middle of the shoe, we have these custom gold lace dubrays featuring two different graphics. On the right foot, we have the United word mark, but then on the left foot, we have that handshake logo once again. Attached to the laces, my favorite part about this shoe, we have these custom lace shrouds. So this kind of has like a Travis Scott vibe to it. We have the United word mark on the left shoe and that handshake logo on the right shoe. Replacing your traditional Air Force One tag, at the very top they've upgraded this and included this leather tag which has both United and Nike co-branding lasered out on top. And then last but not least, instead of your traditional Air Force One insole, United also incorporates their very own custom insoles as well. So you can see in this case, it's all done in red, which gives it a ton of pop and color. And we have this United branding and the Nike swoosh done in white. So let me lace up these United Air Force Ones and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Not only are white on white Air Force Ones a staple for the summer, but I love how they've really customized this shoe, but done it in a very minimalistic but tasteful way to make it special to the United brand. Again, this is a very special project, limited to only 15 pairs, so if you're about supporting independent brands, be sure to check them out. Again, their website is down below, and give them a follow on Instagram as well and tell them I sent you. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go. and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.